What is culture? Culture is knowing that there is people that you care about who are counting on you, and you go above and beyond. You go the extra mile to set them up for success, to serve them, because you care about them and you want them to succeed. You want them to be stress-free. You want them to be able to do their job really well and be able to serve other people in the company or on the team really well. So culture, if you just want to make it really simple, it's just serving people that you care about, knowing that we all care about each other, and we're going to go out and execute and do our job in a way that sets each other up for success. So it's not about pictures of birds flying in a V on the wall. It's not about a picture of a rugby team or whatever. It's really just genuinely caring about each other and letting that drive you to go the extra mile. Get up a little early. Like, what's getting you out of bed in the morning? It's that drive that there's people counting on me. People that I care about are counting on me, and I'm going to go make it happen for them. I'm going to go do my best, even beyond my best, to serve them and do really well for them, because I know they're going to do that for me. And so a couple of things. One is that can be really hard to start. So if you're in a culture where that's not the case, so you have 20 people in your company and it's not that way and you need to start it, it's hard, but you can do it. And so that's one of my challenges here. You know, we're talking about Hustle and Heart, the book in audiobook.net. This is chapter 2. We're talking about culture. So when you're trying to start this culture thing, and that's what we're always promoting here, don't wait for somebody else, you start it. It's going to be hard, but you just have to keep doing it. You have to care about people, even though they're not really giving it back initially. You just have to have that faith, and you have to keep doing it. And eventually, I guarantee it, because I've done it and I've seen it, somebody's going to catch on and say, man, that dude is just hustling and going to bat, making my life easier, so I'm going to do that in return. And then that person is going to do it for other people because it feels good and that person sees the results. So you keep doing that. Then you get a third person and a fourth person. And eventually, if you have a 20-person company, you have 11 people doing it, the other 9 are just going to have to decide, is this for me? Am I going to get on board with this because this is the way it is now? Or is it not for me? Is this too hard for me? I just want to coast. You know, this isn't a good driver for me. You know, I don't care about these people enough to go do my best every day. So that's what's going to happen. You know, they might leave. We bring new people in, and they just walk right into the culture. And so they don't have to change. They just walk right into it and embrace it. So you got to start somewhere, and that's it. So once you have that mindset, that's your why. Your why is people I care about are counting on me, and then it's, you know, okay, how do I do it? And so in this chapter, in this book, it's talking about ways to do that. So this little 1% improvements every morning. How can I go attack this morning? What can go wrong, and what will I do if it does go wrong? Who can I serve? Who can I set up for success today? And then at the end of the day, what could I have done better? And so you just keep doing that. You keep making these 1% improvements, and you're intentional about how you're serving your team. You just keep doing it today, then tomorrow, then the next day, then the next day, then the next day, then the next day. And it just builds and adds up until you just have this amazing culture, and it's just people serving each other. No signs needed, no big speeches needed. It just happens, and that's really what culture is. And so if you got to this video through YouTube, go check out the book Hustle and Heart. This is in chapter 2. It's on audiobook.net. All right, everybody, I'll see you in the next chapter.